Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Bayu Putranto and I am Associate Technical Advisor at PT Sinex Metro Data Indonesia. And today we will discuss about how to client monitoring in Ruckus Unleashed. So this is needed if we want to monitor client and the client activity and what is how many client connected to which access point. So we just check it on the access point. Right now, only there is no connected clients. Okay, I will try to connect my cell phone to this SSID, and the password is 123456778. Okay, and now my phone is connected. So as you can see, here is MAC address of my phone and the IP address my phone got, and then the operating system and connected to which access point, and then which SSID, and what is the signal power, and how is the status, and how is the authentication method. If there is another client connected, we can also monitor in here. So right now only one connected device. Okay, and I hope this is informative for you, and thank you for viewing.